Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever caught yourself wondering if a younger woman might secretly be wishing you would make the first move, but you just can't tell for sure you're not alone? We've all been there, caught in the middle of a moment where her actions seem to speak volumes, but you just aren't sure how to decode them. Well, you're in luck, because today we're about to uncover the subtle yet powerful signs that a woman might secretly want you to take. That next step, love often lives in the quiet moments. Those fleeting glances, the unspoken words, and the gentle shifts in body language. The things that go unnoticed can often be the things that mean the most. And if you're wondering if her gaze lingers just a little too long, or if her laughter at your jokes is warmer than usual, these could be the signs you've been missing today. We're going to teach you how to recognize these moments with respect and clarity, the power of proximity. Let's start with something that happens every day, yet so few people pay attention to. Proximity. Have you noticed that she always seems to end up near you? No matter the setting, whether it's a crowded room, a busy cafe, or even at work. This might not just be coincidence. It could be her silent way of saying, "I want to be close to you." Physical proximity is a subtle yet powerful cue in human interaction. It's more than just being around you. It's about showing interest and creating space for connection when a woman finds ways to stand, sit, or even position herself closer to you. It's a reflection of how drawn she is to your energy. And studies back this up. Proximity boosts familiarity and comfort. Two essential ingredients of attraction if she's finding those small moments to be close to you. Take it as a signal that she's inviting something deeper. So next time you're in a group, pay attention. Is she positioning herself where you are, or does she make excuses to move near you? Let's dive deeper into this subtle yet telling behaviour. She finds reasons to be near you. Proximity is a key to emotional connection. Look for the small, quiet moments where she chooses to place herself near you. Maybe it's during a meeting or when you're both at the coffee station, but you'll notice that she's always around, whether it's because she wants to join your group or simply because she enjoys being in your presence. Her body language is subtly asking for you to notice her. It's not just being polite, it's creating opportunities for small interactions that could grow into something deeper. When you see her adjusting her position to be closer, don't just brush it off, respond with warmth. Lean into the conversation slightly to show you're comfortable with the closeness. A compliment here, a shared laugh there. These moments of connection can be the foundation of something more meaningful. 2, she asks personal questions. Is she asking more than the usual, "What's your weekend plan?" Or "How's work?" If she's diving deeper, inquiring about your passions, your dreams, your childhood, it's more than idle curiosity. It's a sign that she wants to know the real you. These aren't surface-level questions. When she asks you about the things that make you tick, about your values, your challenges, and your aspirations, she's emotionally investing in you. It's a subtle but powerful sign that she sees potential for a deeper connection. Her questions reveal she's trying to figure out if there's compatibility between the two of you. She's wondering whether your dreams align, if your values are similar, and if you can share a future together. These are not casual inquiries. This is her way of laying the groundwork for something that could evolve into a meaningful bond. And when she listens to your answers, with intent eyes locking with yours as she hangs on every word, that's her way of saying she's captivated. How do you respond? Share openly, be honest, and show her the real you. Answer thoughtfully and ask her similar questions to deepen the connection. This back and forth will create a space for both of you to explore each other's inner worlds. She compliments you and notices the little things. Compliments can be casual, but when a younger woman is genuinely interested, her compliments carry deeper meaning. It's not just about you, look nice. Instead, she notices the small things about you, things that others might overlook. Perhaps she mentions how your style suits you perfectly, or how she admires your calm confidence. These compliments aren't just about appearance, they're about appreciating the little details that make you. Maybe she remembers something you mentioned weeks ago, like a hobby you're passionate about, or asks how a recent trip went. This is her showing that she's paying attention to the things that matter to you. When she notices these things, it's a clear sign that you've been on her mind. Respond by acknowledging her attentiveness. Maybe compliment her too on something that stands out to you. Show her that you see her and appreciate the effort she puts into getting to know music. She remembers the small details. It's the little things that make a big difference when she remembers something small, like your favourite song, your favourite coffee order, or a detail you shared in passing. It's more than just good memory, it's emotional investment. She's holding on to these pieces of your story because they matter to her. Maybe weeks later, she brings up a trip you mentioned or asks about something that was important to you. These thoughtful gestures go beyond politeness. They show that she values you and cares about the things that make you unique. Pay attention to these moments because they often reveal the depth of her interest. When you show that you remember the little things about her as well, it creates a bond. It's these small acts of attentiveness that lay the foundation for a deeper, more intimate connection. Wow. She responds well to light touch. Touch is a powerful, unspoken language. If a woman responds positively to light, casual touches, a tap on the arm, a gentle touch on the back, it's a clear signal that she's comfortable with you and drawn to your presence. Trust and comfort are essential when it comes to physical touch, and her ease in these moments suggests she's emotionally open to you. Does she linger when you initiate a touch, like when your hand brushes hers? That's a subtle sign that she enjoys being close to you and values the intimacy those small touches create. If she mirrors your touch, it shows that she feels comfortable in your space and that you're both on the same wavelength. These physical moments often carry more weight than words, creating a bridge between emotional and physical attraction. 6. She initiates contact. Have you noticed that she's the first to reach out, whether through texts, calls, or messages? When a woman initiates contact, it's a clear sign that she's thinking about you. It's her way of showing interest without waiting for you to make the first move. If she's texting you just to say hi or sharing a funny meme, it's because she wants to keep the connection alive. How do you respond? Match her energy, respond with enthusiasm and genuine interest. Don't settle for one-word answers. Share your day, your thoughts, and continue the conversation. This mutual exchange builds trust and emotional closeness. 7. Playful teasing and flirting. Teasing can be playful, light-hearted, and even romantic. When a younger woman teases you, it's often her way of saying, "I like being around you." Without explicitly stating it, playful teasing builds comfort, and it's an invitation to connect in a fun, private way. This type of interaction shows that she feels safe enough with you to make light jokes and poke fun at you in a way that's affectionate. Not critical. If you tease her back in a fun, light-hearted way, you're signalling that you're comfortable too. It's a shared moment of humour and intimacy that opens the door for deeper attraction. This playful energy is her way of testing the waters, seeing if you're on the same wavelength. Right? Her body language shows interest. Body language never lies. If a younger woman is interested in you, her body will naturally reflect that. Whether she's leaning towards you during a conversation or mirroring your gestures, when a woman leans in, it's a physical sign that she's drawn to you, both emotionally and physically. Open posture, eye contact, and her movements. All these gestures show that she's not just listening, but fully engaged physical touch, like a lingering hand or light touch mirrors. This connection, these cues aren't just about attraction. They're about her signaling that she's comfortable and invested in you. Her body is amplifying what her words may not be able to. Music express she hints about being single or available. Sometimes a woman will drop subtle hints about her relationship status, not as casual conversation, but as an invitation for you to take the next step. She might say, "It's been a while since I've gone on a date," or talk about her independence and how she values her time alone, but leaves room for someone special. These are more than just throwaway lines. They're cues that she's open to a deeper connection when she includes you in her future plans, like suggesting you go to a concert or visit a new cafe. She's testing the waters to see if you're interested in joining her. These casual invitations are her way of saying, "I want to spend more time with you." Barad, taking the next step. So there you have it, the subtle but powerful signs that a younger woman might be wishing for you to make. The first move, her proximity, personal questions, compliments, touch, and even her playful teasing are all part of the silent language of attraction. These cues show that she's emotionally invested and hoping you'll take the leap. The key is to stay attuned to these signals, respond with warmth and authenticity, and respect her boundaries when you see these signs. Trust your instincts with kindness and confidence. Take the next step and see where this journey can lead. If you've noticed some of these signs, don't wait too long. Make the first move and you might just find yourself embarking on a deeper connection. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let us know where you're tuning in from and if you've experienced any of these signs in your own life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.